This video will provide you guidance for installing the Yale Assure lever. As noted in the instruction manual, here are the components. First, you have the keypad side of the lever, the interior side of the lever, the interior mounting bracket, 2 levers, 2 long through bolts, 2 small black screws, battery cover key, latch with 2 mounting wood screws, strike plate with 2 mounting wood screws, full installation manual with programming instructions, battery cover, 4 AA batteries, door marking template, and in some cases, depending on model purchased, you will have a Yale Smart Module or Connected by August kit. Your module may already be inserted in the interior side of the lock, above the battery compartment, or it may be packaged separately. Before installing the latch, make sure your door has been prepped according to specifications listed on the door template included with the lever, and remove any existing hardware. The cross bore hole must be 2 1/8 inches in diameter. The edge bore hole must be 1 inch in diameter. The back set should be 2 3/8 or 2 3/4 inches. The thickness of your door must be between 1 3/8 and 1 3/4 inches. To install the lock, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Follow the guide shown to determine which way the curve on your latch should face. Now, let's install the latch, which can be adjusted so it has a back set of 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches. The latch is set at 2 3/8 inches by default. Adjust the latch to 2 3/4 inches if you require a longer length. Slide the latch into the door. Check to see that the latch's horizontal rectangular hole is centered exactly in the cross bore hole. Insert 2 wood screws and tighten. Install the strike on the door frame with 2 wood screws. Now, we will install the keypad side of the lever. Please check the orientation of the tailpiece, ensuring that the arrow is facing upward and the tailpiece is vertical. Position the exterior side of the lock so that it sits flush on the outside of your door, and guide the cable under the latch. The tailpiece should slide into the horizontal rectangular hole in the latch. Next, we will install the interior mounting bracket. Guide the cable through the hole in the mounting bracket. Make sure the mounting bracket is flush with the door and straight before securing with 2 long through bolts. Make sure you tighten them down, but be careful not to over-tighten them. Now, install the interior side of the lever. First, remove the battery cover using the battery cover key included. Now, take the cable and attach it to the adapter located on the interior side of the lock. The cable has 2 ridges on either side. These ridges should be facing outwards when you attach to the adapter. Ensure that the cable is securely fastened in the adapter and is not loose. Be sure to seat the cable under the cable hook located on the interior side of the lock. Adjust the cable so that the interior side of the lock can sit flush with the door. Ensure the thumb turn is in the horizontal position. The interior side of the lock can now be mounted onto the mounting plate, being careful not to pinch the cable. There is a hook at the bottom of the lock and mounting plate to secure the 2 pieces. Hook the bottom of the lock into place first and listen for the click. Then, push the top side of the lock into place. Insert 2 of the small black screws into the provided holes in the battery compartment and tighten. Now, insert the Keyfree cylinder into the opening on the keypad side of the lock. The bar on the Keyfree cylinder should be facing the opposite direction from where the latch is, so if the edge of your door is on the left, the bar should be facing the right. Install the interior lever and exterior levers by snapping them into place. Be sure to push in the spring clips using the battery key or screwdriver as you slide the levers into place. Test the lever latch bolt by rotating the lever from both the interior and exterior sides of the door. If the Yale Smart Module has not already been inserted, Do so now before the batteries are inserted. The module has visible pins that should be on the bottom right corner when inserted into the slot above the battery compartment. Now, insert the 4 AA batteries. Install the battery cover. Now, we will set your master entry code. Wake the lock keypad by touching the Yale logo on a touchscreen model or by pressing any button on a keypad model. Press Gear. Press 1. Press Gear. Enter a master code that's 4 to 8 digits long. Press Gear to complete. For steps on how to connect your lock to a smart home or alarm system, follow the instructions provided by your system's app. That completes the guide for installing your Yale Assure lever.